Welcome to SurePass, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing reclusión perpetua, reclusión temporal, prisión mayor, prisión correccional, arresto mayor, at arresto menor. Reclusión perpetua. Reclusión perpetua is a penalty under the Revised Penal Code of the Philippines. It literally translates to perpetual imprisonment and is often imposed for serious offenses such as murder, treason, qualified rape. Ano ang duration ng reclusión perpetua? The penalty of reclusión perpetua shall be from 20 years and 1 day to 40 years. Kailan pwede mag-apply ng pardon? Reclusión perpetua is imprisonment for life, but the person sentenced to suffer it shall be pardoned after undergoing the penalty for 30 years, unless by reason of his conduct or some other serious cause, he shall be considered by the Chief Executive as unworthy of pardon. Ano ang mga periods sa reclusión perpetua? No period po, since it is indivisible penalty. It cannot be subdivided and it is fixed. Accessory penalties included in reclusión perpetua. First, civil interdiction for life or during the period of the sentence as the case may be, and perpetual absolute disqualification. Ano ang difference ng reclusión perpetua sa life imprisonment? Ang reclusión perpetua at life imprisonment ay dalawang magkaibang uri ng parusa sa batas, kahit madalas silang napagkakamalang pareho. Reclusión perpetua ay parusang nakasaad sa Revised Penal Code. On the other hand, life imprisonment naman ay pinapataw para sa mga malulubhang krimen sa ilalim ng mga special laws. Halimbawa, drugs laws, illegal possession of firearms at iba pa. Ang reclusión perpetua ay may accessory penalties tulad ng pagkawala ng ilang karapatan sa politika at posibilidad na hindi makapagtrabaho sa gobyerno. Ang life imprisonment walang accessory penalties. Ang pangunahing parusa ay pagkakakulong. Itinuturing na mas magaan ang reclusión perpetua kumpara sa life imprisonment dahil sa technical na definisyon nito sa batas at sa mga kasama nitong probisyon. Sa reclusión perpetua, may itinakdang panahon na pagkakakulong, bagamat maaari pa rin itong tumagal. Sa life imprisonment, walang takdang bilang ng taon, habang buhay ang hatol, maliban kung mapalitan ito sa pamamagitan ng pardon o commutation. Now let us go to reclusión temporal. Ito ay pagkakakulong din na may haba na 12 years and 1 day to 20 years. Ang reclusión temporal ay isang divisible penalty, thus nahahati ito sa periods. May maximum, medium, at minimum. Ano ang katumbas na pagkakakulong ng mga periods na ito? Ang maximum ay 17 years, 4 months, and 1 day to 20 years. Ang medium ay 14 years, 8 months, and 1 day to 17 years and 4 months. Ang minimum naman ay 12 years and 1 day to 14 years and 8 months. Accessory penalties included in reclusión temporal. First, civil interdiction for life or during the period of the sentence as the case may be, and perpetual absolute disqualification. Now let us go to prisión mayor. Ito ay pagkakakulong din na may haba na 6 years and 1 day to 12 years. Ang prisión mayor ay isang divisible penalty, thus nahahati ito sa periods, may maximum, medium at minimum. Ano ang katumbas na pagkakakulong ng mga periods na ito? Maximum, 10 years and 1 day to 12 years. Ang medium naman ay 8 years and 1 day to 10 years. Ang minimum ay 6 years and 1 day to 8 years. Accessory penalties included in prisión mayor. First, temporary absolute disqualification. And second, perpetual special disqualification from the right of suffrage. Prisión correccional. Ito ay pagkakakulong din na may haba na 6 months and 1 day to 6 years. Ang prisyon correctional ay isang divisible penalty, thus nahahati ito sa periods, may maximum, medium, at minimum. Ano ang katumbas ng pagkakakulong ng mga periods na ito? Sa maximum, 4 years, 2 months, and 1 day to 6 years. Sa medium, 2 years, 4 months, and 1 day to 4 years and 2 months. Sa minimum, 6 months and 1 day to 2 years and 4 months. Accessory penalties included in prisyon correctional. First, suspension from public office, from the right to follow a profession or calling. And second, perpetual special disqualification from the right of suffrage. Aresto mayor. Ito ay pagkakakulong din na may haba na 1 month and 1 day to 6 months. Ang aresto mayor ay isang divisible penalty, thus nahahati ito sa periods, may maximum, medium, at minimum. Ano ang katumbas na pagkakakulong ng mga periods na ito? Sa maximum, 4 months and 1 day to 6 months. Sa medium naman, 2 months and 1 day to 4 months. Sa minimum naman, 1 month and 1 day to 2 months. Accessory penalties included in aresto mayor. First, suspension of the right to hold office. And second, suspension from the right of suffrage during the term of the sentence. Aresto menor. Ito ay pagkakakulong din na may haba na 1 day to 30 days. Ang aresto menor ay isang divisible penalty. Thus, nahahati ito sa periods, may maximum, medium, at minimum. Ano ang katumbas na pagkakakulong ng mga periods na ito? Sa maximum, 21 days to 30 days. Sa medium, 11 days to 21 days. And sa minimum, 1 day to 10 days. Accessory penalties included in aresto menor. First, suspension of the right to hold office. And second, suspension from the right of suffrage during the term of the sentence. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.